Hey, this is John from Turbot. If you're looking for quick demos of Turbot pipes, you're in the right place.
Turbot Pipes queries usually run really fast. They're highly parallelized, but it can still take a bit of time to fetch the data from the underlying APIs. In this case, it took about 17 seconds to fetch all the buckets across 3 AWS accounts. Now, if I refresh the query, the results are immediate because they're coming from cache. And if I switch over to this dashboard, which depends on the table, we'll see that it's going to run instantly as well because the results are coming from cache. So imagine if every table worked like that magically. That's actually what Datatank is for. Let's take a look. First, we'll create a data tank from Settings, New Connection, Create Data Tank. I'm immediately prompted to choose a table. We'll go with AWS S3 bucket. I will choose to update on an hourly frequency and add the table. It's going to take a bit of time, as before, to initially run and populate this new table from the 3 underlying connections. Once that's done, I can hop over to the query pane. We see the new My Data Tank schema. Within it, the AWS S3 bucket table, which now runs instantly and always will. If I want to review what Data Tank actually did, I can visit Settings, open up the Data Tank, open up the table. There we can see that each of the 3 underlying connections has been freshly updated successfully. And for each one, I can open up and look at a detailed log that tells me exactly what happened and when. So that's great if you just need to synchronize a table where you're effectively doing select star from an underlying live table. But what if you want to do something more complex? For that, you can create a table from a query. We'll call this one unencrypted volumes, also run it on an hourly frequency. And we'll use this query, which is going to join EC2 instance with EBS volume. You get 2 choices on how to do this. You can update all at once, atomically, or you can do it on a per connection basis to be more resilient to the failure of underlying connections. In this case, we'll just go with the simple approach and create that table. And once that's done, again, we can hop over to the query pane. Here's the S3 bucket table, which refreshes instantly, and now also the unencrypted volumes table, which will also always refresh instantly. And that's Data Tank in a nutshell. Automatic persistence for pipes queries. Thanks for watching. If your organization could benefit from Turbot Pipes, get started today with a free developer account at turbot.com/pipes. See the video description for links and details.